How to sign up for a new free account on Hugging Face. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create a new account on Hugging Face. So simply what you have to do is click on the search icon right here and then search for Hugging Face and hit enter. Now, once you do that, you can easily go to their official website, the AI Community Building the Future. So go ahead and open this up. Now at the top right corner, you can find the login or sign up button. All you have to do here is go ahead and tap on the sign up option to create a new account, and you will be taken to this page. Now you're going to have to begin a confirmation that you're a human. Tap on begin. Now you can choose all the hats from the picture. So let me just quickly do that. And then tap on confirm. Once you do that, you should have an option to enter your email address. So I'll just quickly enter my email address and then create a password. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and tap on next. You'll be taken over to this page. Now you can enter your username, then you can enter your full name. After that, you can add an avatar, but I'll just leave it as it is. You can add your Twitter's username. I'll just leave all of these optional options just like so. Click on this checkbox and then tap on create account. Once you do that, you can create and generate your avatar if you want. So I'll just skip this for now. Now you have successfully created your account. Now you can check your email address for a confirmation link. I'll just click on this new tab and go to Gmail. Here I've gotten the confirmation email from Hugging Face, so I can just click on this to simply go ahead and verify the email. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.